effectively, you guys have to take care of them and learn all the parts and how to actually use it. So the first part is we have to learn how to care for the microscope. You always want to carry it by the base and the arm with 2 hands. So you're going to want to carry it down here and up here, like this, whenever you carry it somewhere. There's certain kind of, to clean it, there's a certain kind of paper that you want to use so you don't scratch or damage the lens. You do not want to force the knobs if they're stuck because that you might break the microscope. So you would want to ask for help from a teacher. And you never want to have the cords hanging off of the desk because if it happens to get pulled or you trip on it and the microscope falls, that would be very bad because the microscopes are a lot of money. Now we're going to do this. You have a paper. We're going to fill out the microscope parts. And you also have the definitions, so I'll call on people to read off the definitions as we go through. So we'll start at the top. Is the eyepiece. Does anyone want to read the eyepiece? Yeah?
Easy enough. This is where you look into the microscope to see the image of the thing that you are looking for. Translation is a piece of the microscope where you put your eye.
Easy enough. And this is the body tube. Yeah.
Me. This is the long skinny tube that holds the eyepiece up above the microscope. It allows the light of the image to travel up from the objective lens to the eyepiece.
Alright. This is the nose piece.
No, this is not the part of the microscope where you put your nose. The nose piece holds the 2 or 3 objective lenses. The nose piece rotates around in a circle, allowing you to choose which objective lens you want to use. It is the lazy Susan of the microscope.
Does anyone know what a lazy Susan is? Yeah, does someone want to explain it? Yeah, you want to try?
Okay, so it's a table, and in the middle of it is like a little spinner. It's like a platform, and you spin it because there's like condiments or food on it, and you spin it when you want something.
Yeah, so it's pretty much just saying that it holds all the objective lens and it spins around in a circle so you can pick which one you want to use. Now we're going to do objective lens. Yeah.
Your microscope may have 2 or 3 lenses. These are attached to the nose piece and buried inside. The shortest lens is the least powerful, and the longest lens is the most powerful. Oftentimes, the people who make microscopes put different colored bands to identify these patterns.
Next is the arm.
Who knows how they came up with this name? The arm holds the upper portion of the microscope above the stage. This is also where you grab the microscope anytime you decide to take it for a walk.
The stage. I think it's on the back side. It's number 9.
This is where the gaze want to look at our place. It is the large flat area directly under the objective lens, and that has the hole in the middle. So gaze it because this is where everyone looks to see what's going on. Just like a real stage.
The stage clips. Number 10.
Stage. These are the shiny clips that are on the top of the stage. There should be one on either side of the hole in the middle of the stage. They hold the microscope slide in place.
This is just so the slide doesn't fall off if you bump it. Keeps it still. Coarse focus. You go?
If you look near the top of the arm, there is a big round knob. This knob allows you to move the upper portion of the microscope, eyepiece, body tube, nose, and objective lenses, up and down so that you can focus on the slide.
Fine focus.
microscope may not have this little knob just under the coarse adjustment knob. Don't sweat it. It is just there so you can fine tune the image. With a little practice, you can do the same thing with just one knob if you don't have this one.
So not all of these microscopes have both of the knobs. Some of them just have one. It doesn't matter. One of them is just to get more of a clear view, but you can do that with just one knob too. And the base. There you go.
This one is a microscope that it is usually two legs that are attached to the bottom of the arm.
Diaphragm.
Check under the stage and you will find a round disc that has several different sized holes in it. This is called the diaphragm and it allows you to change the amount of light that comes up through the aperture. If you experiment with the size of the opening, you will find that some objects are easier to see with less light and some need more.
One more. And the light. Anyone? No? Maybe not. No, it's not. Okay, well, it's a mirror or the lamp. It's pretty much just, it's a light that shines through the, up to the base and through to the slide so you can actually see the stuff that's inside your, so you can actually see the specimen. Okay, I think, yeah, we'll go ahead and do the, interactive microscope now. So I think we're gonna split you up into groups of